To do that, just pick a spot where you want. I want it kind of lower and outside, and I'm going to apply it just like that. So that's how easy it is to apply. Now you need to wait for approximately 24 hours for the adhesion really to take hold. So let's go ahead and get some shots of us in driving condition so you can see exactly how it works. Alright, now I have the mirror installed. I'm going to go ahead and adjust it because right now it's seeing pretty much what I'm seeing with my regular mirror. So I can take this and now adjust it out and over to the right a little bit. Okay. Alright, here's a perfect example. I do not see that yellow concrete barrier behind without the mirror, but with the mirror I clearly see that obstruction in my blind spot, which is just right here. So that's the beauty of this. Then I can adjust that up, down, sideways, around, however I want to. So this is the car blind spot mirror by Well Coda. There's 2 to a pack.